the Valley. I'm Allison Ball-Kilmer, and today I'm gonna do a staple that everyone should know how to make, okay? Especially if you love pasta. Shrimp scampi. Shrimp scampi is one of my favorite dishes all time. I know I say that a lot, but it really is because it's simple to make, easy to make. Anybody can make it, even my kids. So let's get down and show you how I do it. My ingredients are just shrimp. You can get frozen shrimp, you can get fresh shrimp, and you want to stand and clean it all day, it's up to you. I'm not going to bore you with cleaning shrimp, but it's shrimp, capers, garlic, lemon, parsley, Parmesan cheese, some spices, of course you know my essence. Don't forget to Google my essence. I'm actually going to come up with my own brand. Not yet, but soon. And some garlic, butter, and pasta. And these are the ingredients. So first things first, my shrimp. Some of these, this is already cleaned and everything, so make it simple. But I'm just gonna put some essence on it and let it soak up. Now that I have the shrimp seasoned, I'm just gonna go over to the stove. I'm gonna boil my water, get the pasta going, while I get the shrimp sauteed with capers and garlic and butter and cheese and all the yummy, yummy stuff that I love to eat. Let's get started. First things first, we gotta get the pasta on. And so I love this, see this thing? This faucet over my stove? I love it! Okay, let's go. So I'm probably gonna put about 3 to 4 quarts of water here, give or take a few. And then always with pasta water, you gotta put some salt in there so it can start boiling quickly. Yep. Exactly. Boring. All right, I'm gonna let this water boil before I put the pasta in so it's super, super hot and ready to go. So let's put the top on. We already put salt in. Let's take it up to a boil and then I'll add the pasta. 2 seconds. The water's boiling now. All right, let's put the pasta in. Whoop, whoop. All right, I'm gonna use all this pasta. Bam. I am gonna add a little olive oil to it just to give it a little flavor, a little greasiness. I don't know, I just always do that. That's my own little tip. The pasta will probably take about 10 minutes to boil till it's, you don't want it overcooked, you want it perfectly cooked. So I would say about 10 minutes with all that pasta. Now let's get started on shrimp scampi. Yum, who doesn't love shrimp scampi? And personally, I love a lot of garlic, which I don't know how long you've been watching my shows, but I'm very garlic heavy, so I love garlic. So let's start with butter. I actually bought some roasted garlic butter from, where else? Trader Joe's. You could just use regular butter too to put in there, but I'm gonna use already garlic butter because what did I tell you? Extra garlic. I love me some garlic. Thank God I'm not single because I don't think anybody would get close to me. I've already seasoned the shrimp with the essence. So I'm gonna get this melted down. Let's add the shrimp. Spread it out so all the shrimp starts cooking. Put a little lemon juice right now. I am holding my hand down here because I didn't bring my lemon squeezer and I don't want seeds in here. I think you figured that out already. You definitely want to stir the pasta because you don't want it to get all stuck in one big clump. You know what I mean? So stir it up a little bit. Loosen it up. All right, I'm gonna put some crushed red peppers in here. Not too many because I'm not gonna over season and kill anyone, but a little crushed red pepper. Now I'm gonna put garlic, real garlic. I know I had garlic butter, but what did I say about garlic? I love me some garlic. This is actually about 4 cloves of garlic, 5 cloves of garlic minced. And you don't have to put as much garlic. If you don't like garlic, don't do too much garlic. I like a lot of garlic. Garlic's good for you, good for your heart, good for your blood. We're gonna do some capers. Yum. I love capers. Capers are salty and yummy. And if I use capers on a lot of things, I actually put capers in my tuna fish. Not everybody does that, but that's how much I love capers. Now we're gonna add the good stuff. Oh yeah! It's not Alley in the Valley if it doesn't have no alcohol in it. I mean wine. Okay, and then I'm gonna let it boil a little bit. This is like a half a cup. You don't need much more than that. It's really just flavor. It'll burn off the alcohol anyway if you don't like drinking like I do. All right, the shrimp looks yummy and done with lots of garlic and capers like I like it. In a buttery sauce, see that? Now we're just gonna, let me make sure the pasta's done. Let me grab a piece, make sure it's cooked. That's hot, huh? Perfect. Okay. Let's just add the pasta in. Yep, that's what I do right here. Yep, super easy, super simple. Let's add the pasta. And you don't mind some of the pasta water in here. It's really good because the flavor. This is so easy, shrimp scampi. Now we're gonna just mix it. So of course, you can't not have shrimp scampi without Parmesan cheese. I mean, come on, you know. Yeah, oh my God, I love Parmesan cheese. This is already shredded. You can shred your own or whatever. I just bought some shredded Parmesan cheese. Let's mix it up because we want the cheese to really melt in here. My version, Alley in the Valley version. And then I'm gonna put some parsley because you gotta have parsley. You can't go wrong. And I'm gonna take it over here to serve it up in a minute. Let's do some lemon wedges. Just serve on the side with it. And let's move over. Let's move over so I can set it up, put it in some bowls, and taste the final outcome. Oh, that's so beautiful, right? It's beautiful. Love it. Let's get the cheese. Just in case we don't have enough cheese, you can never have enough cheese. Okay, so I'm gonna serve it in this. Am I missing anything? A fork, that's important. That is scrumptious, delicious, so damn good. Love it. You know where to get the recipe, alleyinthevalley.com. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna go and plate this for my family, and I'll see you on the next Alley in the Valley.